Today for PWS, you're going to practice breaking apart words into syllables and reading them. You're going to take a word card and you're going to read it, and then you're going to cut it into 2 syllables. And whether you do that with just your pencil or scissors is up to your teacher. I have a word list here with 10 words. And I've already looked at 7, 8, and 9. And I'm going to read number 7 and I'm going to practice. So I'm reading that word and it says frozen. And now I'm going to clap the syllables. Frozen. And I know that it's broken into 2 parts, so I drew a slash line to show where the syllable breaks that word. So now I have 2 parts, fro and zen. And now I'm going to do the same with number 8. That word is cozy. And I'm going to clap the word. Cozy. I know it has 2 parts and I know that it's broken in half right here, and that's why I drew the slash line. So you're going to look at the words, you'll read each word, that's really important, do that first, and then you will clap to see how many syllables the word has, and then you will write each word and break it into 2 syllables. Draw your slash marks or use your pencil or scissors, just depending on what your teacher has asked you to do.